The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, keyless entry, power driver's seat, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, climate control, fog lights, clock, security system, side airbag, power brakes, power windows, power door locks, tachometer, dual zone climate control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.